What's up, y'all, and welcome to Big Time Cooking with NG, where I share my favorite recipes with you so you in turn can share with your family and friends. What are we making today? Well, it's summertime and it is starting to get hot outside. What you saying? It's already hot? Then cool down with my cookies and cream ice cream recipe. Trust me, it's a winner. So let's stop chatting and let's get to cooking. To make this recipe, you're going to need a few things: butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cream and milk, eggs, vanilla, and salt. Go ahead and invest in an ice cream maker. The one I have here is by Cuisinart. You can find it on Amazon, and trust me, it won't break the bank. I think we're ready to start making our recipe. First things first, we're going to start by making our custard base. To a pot, add 1 stick of butter and you're going to melt it down and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat until it starts to get amber in color. This is called browning the butter. This step alone is going to make you the king or queen of ice cream. Then we're going in with a half cup of brown sugar and a half cup of white sugar. Let that butter and sugar get to know each other and then incorporate into a smooth texture. Once you have that smooth silky texture, slowly add your milk to the butter. Just a little at a time first because it's going to splatter and you don't want to mess in the kitchen. Once the splattering has stopped, add the rest of your milk and stir it till the sugar is dissolved. Let it come to a simmer. In the meantime, separate 6 large eggs and place the yolks in a medium-sized bowl. Give it a whisk to break up the eggs and incorporate some air. Add your vanilla to the milk and give a stir. By this time, your milk should be coming to a simmer. You can check the temperature with a cooking thermometer. You want it to read between 160 to 170 degrees. Once the milk is to temp, it's tempering time. That just means you're going to bring the eggs up to temperature. Remember, we are making ice cream, not scrambled cream. To temper the eggs, add a little bit of the milk mixture to the eggs while whisking continually. Add a little bit more milk, remembering to keep whisking. Then add your tempered mixture back to the pot. Cook for about 5 to 8 minutes more. The mixture should be able to coat the back of a spoon, and when you run your finger down the middle, it remains separated. That means it's nice and thick and ready. Stir in a pinch of salt to balance the flavors, and you are ready to place this liquid gold in the fridge. From the pot, place the mixture in a heat-proof container or bowl, covering with saran wrap. Place your mixture in the fridge and let it get happy till the next day. Also take your churning bowl and place it in the freezer to freeze overnight. It's the next day and it's ice cream time. Place the bowl on the machine, put in the churning blade, turn it on and add your ice cream custard mixture to the bowl. Put on the covering and mix for about 20 minutes. Now I did say we're making cookies and cream ice cream, so grab about 15 Oreo cookies, which is about 1 cup, and give them a rough chop. Not too fine a chop. You want nice chunks of cookie bits in each bite. In the last 5 minutes of mixing, add your chopped cookies and there you have it. It's cookies and cream ice cream. It's way better and worth the time to prepare. Everyone in your house will be going crazy for your ice cream. Right now it's like soft serve consistency. Transfer it to a container and place it in the freezer to firm it up. Nothing beats homemade ice cream. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing, and I will see you till the next time.